I'm back with another tutorial from Rambow bots. Today we're gonna do a tutorial on our Rambow Music V2 bot. Link will be for the Discord will be in the description, also with our website. Let's get this started right off. So this bot does have 24/7 in it. You can toggle the 24/7 on and off through this. So like I just disabled it. If we do 24/7 again, right? Enables it. This does have a bunch of different commands. Autoplay, you can autoplay whatever. So if you put a playlist in that you're playing, it'll autoplay it. It'll keep it going for 24/7. It'll never stop. You can jump, invite. So if you do an invite, right, it'll give you an invite link to invite the bot. Let's see here. The queue, you can see the queue, replay the song, stop, shuffles, set up music. So, like set up a music channel like this, right? Just like that. And this does have buttons too. But that is about it with this bot. I will be releasing another video today too on our Rambow V2 bot. Links will be in the description for the Discord and for the website. You can invite the bots through the website. Feel free to reach out and I can take it if need. Have a good one.